the first white child born in the U.S. American historian Woodbury Lowery found a document dated 1598, currently housed in the Library of Congress in Washington, in which a Spanish military officer claimed 4 years of salary owed to him by the Spanish crown of King Philip II. To justify it, he had to recount his entire history to the Spanish administrators, providing different witnesses. The officer in question was Martín de Argüelles, born around 1566 in the Spanish fort of San Agustín in Florida, founded by Pedro Menéndez de Avilés, governor and captain general of Florida. On September 8, 1565, Pedro Menéndez arrived in Florida aboard the galleon San Pelayo. A huge vessel, weighing 9 tons and accompanied by 11 other ships, in a total expedition composed of 500 soldiers, 200 sailors, and 100 colonists. Among them were 2 young Asturians, Martín de Argüelles and Leonor Morales, who also formed the first marriage contracted in Florida, then called New Spain. In addition, Martín was the first mayor of the settlement of San Agustín, the oldest city in the U.S. A year after their marriage, Martín de Argüelles' son was born, becoming the first child of European origin to be born in what is now the United States. As he grew up, Martín served the Spanish crown in Portugal and in expeditions in search of the corsair Francis Drake. After passing through different destinations, he ended up as an officer in command of the fort of Mérida in Mexico, with the rank of sergeant major, where he got married. The importance of Asturians in current American culture goes beyond this. The first Thanksgiving celebration in the territory was held by Pedro Menéndez de Avilés himself in September 1565, with both Spanish and Native American Indians participating.